Today we're going to work on middle sounds. So remember to get your tapping fingers ready. We're going to start with this first word. It looks like a bag. B-A-G. B-A-A-A. What letter is it? You're right. It's A. Put an A. Close it up. Drag it over. Bag. What are those scissors doing? You're right. It's cut. Uh, t, uh, uh, uh. U. Let me go over. Type a U. Drag it on over. You know what that is. B, G, U. Another U. Boop. Drag over. Oh, Mrs. Sinclair's favorite. It's a cat. K-A-T. Cat. So the middle sound we hear is an A. A, apple, A. Gonna bring it on over here. The first sound in that word is a k, k, C. The last sound is a t, t, T. Bed. B, E, D. The middle sound is E, E. You guys are so smart. Drag it. Oh, it's so tricky. It's a number. Starts with a X, X. The middle sound we hear is and I. That was a silly voice. Like ice cream. Or an igloo. X. That I can be so tricky. It's a net. 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 E. What's this one? It's a log. 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 You guys are doing an amazing job. Now that's a bunny, but I see the first letter is an H and the last letter is a P. Bunny doesn't start with H and rabbit doesn't start with H, but what is the bunny doing? He's hopping. He's hop. Oh. And that's how we find our middle sounds.